exclusively for small to medium-sized business owners selling products or services. At the conclusion of this short video, you'll learn how to easily get your very own free special report entitled Hassle-Free Target-Rich Marketing, Avoiding the Top 12 Mistakes Nearly All Business Owners Make so you can easily pierce the competition. So let's get started. But first, a few quick questions for you. Are you one of the 97% of business owners who are dissatisfied with the results you're getting from your current marketing and advertising? Do you have loads of great ideas for your business yet lack the time to implement them all? Or are you among the huge group of entrepreneurs who do your own advertising yet get less than favorable results because of inconsistency and/or no time to follow up? Just imagine what would happen in your business if you had a fully functioning, expertly engaged marketing director on staff. You see, for many years, there's been a tremendous void in the marketplace. What's a small to medium-sized business to do to play with and compete with the big boys without the big budgets? After all, putting a full-time marketing director on staff means paying a high salary that ranges from $138,000 to well over $300,000. And that doesn't include the exorbitant fees an internal marketing director would cost, including office space, vehicle and travel, necessary technology equipment, and more. And most would demand a high-dollar expense account and may even take every Tom, Dick, and Harry out to high-priced lunches on your dime. And what about hiring an advertising agency? Well, that's great, as long as you don't mind getting constant pressure to spend more and more on traditional advertising. Because that's the primary method in which ad agencies get paid, by you spending money over and over. And of course, there's always the issue of your needs and goals being far below that of the agency's. In fact, here's the typical advertising agency's hierarchy of priority. 1. Media commissions. 2. Markups. 3. Other profit centers. 4. Creative concerns. 5. Peer approval. 6. Portfolio building. Theirs. 7. Awards. 8. Satisfying superiors' biases. 9. Satisfy clients' preconceived ideas. 10. And finally, results. But who can tell anyway? Let's face it, isn't your list of priorities something more like this? Results. Doesn't quite match up now, does it? Well, we have some great news. The premise of our approach is actually quite simple. You can easily hire your own marketing director without the six-figure salary, and you'll achieve far better results. No doubt, once you get your free special report, you'll agree ours is a new and indispensable approach whose time has come. So what can your own marketing director do for you and your business? Anything and everything related to marketing, advertising, and promotions for any type, size, or style of business, including one of our most popular, performing professional critiques of your current marketing and advertising. That's right, we'll analyze and diagnose your ads, whether newspaper ads, magazine ads, your brochures, rack cards, radio and TV spots, billboards, and nearly any other type of media you can think of. In fact, it's highly doubtful that you can think of a marketing challenge that your own marketing director cannot solve or polish to make better, more efficient, and more profitable. Finally, you'll have complete confidence in knowing that your business will grow and strengthen through proper strategy and planning, intense laser focus, consistent action, and specific tailored follow-up that will dazzle clients, create advocates, ensure raving fans, and best of all, explode profits and increase your bottom line. All by hiring your own marketing director without the six-figure salary. While a growing number of business owners, entrepreneurs, and company executives are realizing they need help in marketing and business strategies, typically we engage with two types of clients. A. The company principal hires us to provide new and innovative marketing and business strategies, ideas, and concepts, and very much wants the staff, clients, suppliers, and investors, and often spouses or family, to know all about the appointment. This move frequently provides a massive boost in the company morale and eases tensions among other key business and personal relationships like those noted above. This smart, transparent maneuver makes the boss the hero. And B. The company principal hires us to provide new and innovative marketing and business strategies, ideas, and concepts, but does not want anyone to know about it. We're perfectly happy to come in through the back door and allow you to take all the credit for the ideas and new changes being applied. This smart stealth maneuver makes the boss or whoever made the wise decision to hire us a genius. And some of our clients do a combination of both. It's your call. Either way, engaging your own marketing director bolsters your position in the company and reinforces you as the ultimate champion. What could be better? And keep in mind, whether you are a butcher, a baker, or a candlestick maker, it doesn't matter in the slightest. In fact, we've worked with over 127 different industries and growing. So what's the next step to hiring your own marketing director? Get your hands on your own copy of our free special report, Hassle-Free Target-Rich Marketing, Avoiding the Top 12 Mistakes Nearly All Business Owners Make, so you can pierce the competition. And you'll soon see why hiring your own marketing director is fast becoming the business owner's first choice when seeking to grow their business. Click over to the right for your free special report. Your own marketing director. Strategy, focus, action, follow-up. YourOwnMarketingDirector.com. Finally, the secret to the most profound increases in the trajectory, direction, and growth of your business. 904-701-4249.